All right, oil change. This is a 2005 Toyota Tundra 4.7 liter V8. I haven't owned the truck very long. I only driven about 3,000 miles, so I'm gonna go ahead and do we're doing the first oil change here. So I went with this Castrol Edge. This is Castrol Edge 5W30. That's what this particular truck calls for, is a 5W30. It's going to hold about 6 quarts. So this is a full synthetic motor oil filter, and I like the feature on Amazon where it tells you which one's going to fit your vehicle on the Amazon garage there. So this is a Bosch 3330 filter that is to fit this 2005 Toyota Tundra. So here's the filter we're putting on there. See the Bosch 3330, and doing some reading. Going to try to change the oil about every 5,000 miles with full synthetic motor oil. Use the Amazon feature to make sure that what you buy for your vehicle is going to fit your vehicle. And I hope this video has been helpful for you.